I know that we are all excited at this very moment. But if there's anyone whose heart is overflowing more than us, it's our parents. Sa mga magulang natin na humarap sa iba't ibang bagyo ng buhay para makatayo lang tayo sa lugar na ito, maraming salamat po. I know we all have different stories to tell. Iba-iba tayo ng pinagdaanan. Naalala ko pa nung first year tayo. Fresh graduate from senior high school. Siyempre, super excited tayo. Kasi curious tayo. Ano kaya ang buhay meron sa college? In our second year, ito na naman ang isa pang pagsubok. The decision of choosing our major. Ang pinapasok pala natin ay mas matinding laban. Some of us struggle financially and even had to take promissory notes just to take exams. But as we stand here, as we look back now, we understand more that those struggles were allowed to happen for a reason. Not to break us, hindi para wasakin tayo, but to train us, to equip us, at para ihanda tayo sa realidad ng buhay. Stepping stones pala yon para marating natin ang kinalalagyan natin ngayon. Ang lahat ng bagay ay may panahon. There is a time to cry, but remember, there is also time to rejoice. And we are at this very moment. And of course, this moment would not have been possible without the help of our teachers who taught us, prepared us, and shaped us to become better versions of ourselves. Higit sa lahat, I give glory to the all-knowing, all-powerful, Almighty God. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge Him and He shall direct your path. And we would like to express our deepest gratitude for the scholarship opportunities that became a lifeline for us. We hope that many more young people like us will be given opportunities so that they can soar high and achieve their dreams. If an opportunity comes your way, even if it scares us, even if we doubt ourselves, take it. Before I end, we would like to thank our families who have been my biggest strength in this journey. To our friends, thank you for turning stressful days into laughter and ordinary moments into memories. And to all graduates, sa paglabas natin ng bulwagan na ito, let us remember that in every step in this new chapter is an opportunity to show and serve our potentials and skills to the world. Remember this, greater things have yet to come. Again, congratulations, Batch Masigasig!